Welcome. Thank you for your time. This is a video from our Business Building Roadshow, and today we are talking about the transformation of ICT Operations and Services. Please feel free to enjoy the other videos and to subscribe. Our conversation is about the integration of the tech both within ICT services and operations and into the business so that the required services can be delivered. In the diagram, we've got what we call two stacks. One is the technology stack and one is the shared services stack. When you stand up a service, when you change a service, and this is happening a lot with the rapid adoption of technology, with the automation of knowledge workers, with the provision of knowledge worker services from the cloud. Within the business stack, you've got the network and the telco issues to address, the compute and desktop applications, the data issues that includes the user accounts and all the other accounts, the business rules, the operational frameworks, revisions and changes or establishment of standards, policies and procedures, revisions to the services, service level performance, those issues, changes to processes, you've got brand issues to manage out, and you've got engagement with customers and stakeholders. There's also what we call the shared services stack, where you've got to manage people, facilities, legal, audit, regulatory, risk and resilience, financial, managing vendors, safety and security, managing outsourced operations, changes to products and services, any changes you have with channel partners. And across all of this is the business readiness, the reporting and the management of the reporting, and having the right governance and strategies in place to not only make the transformation, but to ensure the ongoing delivery of the transformation. There's a lot to take in on this diagram. It doesn't mean that we have to, for every single transformation, every single service, every single time, each of these needs to change. What it is a matter is saying, is this impacted? What is the impact? The smaller changes with less impact, it's much quicker, it's much easier, but the more complicated the service, the more complicated the change, the more stakeholders impacted, the greater the integration that needs to be managed through. For those in the room, we're going to discuss this diagram further, and please feel free to bring your experiences into the conversation. For those in the video, please feel free to enjoy the other videos. Please feel free to get further details from the book, including case studies, scenarios, exercises, and practical implementation details. The book is available direct from the publisher, Amazon, or other bookstores. Any author profits from the book and the videos go to charity and community purposes. Thank you for your time. Hope you enjoyed the session and look forward to your comments. Don't forget to subscribe so that we can help you, and please make the most of the other videos.